Hi guys, good morning. So, andito ang Appear International Qatar. So, we are here for cheers for the successful event in 170 Philippine Independence Day. So, iba at big blessings ang nangyari ngayon at nagkaroon tayo ng chance at opportunity na ma-recognize ng Philippine Embassy, ng POLOA at ng UFOQ. Iyan po yung mga organization ng Pilipino dito po sa Qatar. So, para sa inyo dyan guys, sa lahat ng global family, worldwide and international, cheers for success.
Cheers!
Ay, grabe pa. Woo! Nakakatilig.
Grabe, power.
Grabe.
Woo! Power! Yes!
Yes, success.
Power, grabe.
I guess ganun lang. Congrats sa lahat ng mga turbonista and happy changing life. Be the next OFW going for good. Leadership plus system is equal success. So,